To add Google Form link in Canva, let me go to this plus sign and I want to create a document I want to work with. For this, I'm going to change the unit size to inch and I'm going to measure 8.5 by 11 inch, which is a US liter, and I'm going to click on creating a design. My blank design has opened in the editor and I want to click on this page and change the color of my background to black. I'll go over to elements to drag in an image into this design. I will drag in this image and make sure it's selected and go to transparency and tone down the transparency of this image. Now I will come over to apps here and search for embed. I will select embed and we'll use this first one that came up. I will open this up and from here I'm going to paste the link to the Google form I want to add to my design. And I'll click on add to design. You see it has added my Google form link and I can expand this to bring out all the size of my Google form. It has brought out my form beautifully. And another way to also add this Google form link is to come down here and go over to add text here. I'm going to add in a text box and I will change the text inside this text box to say I will click out, click back into the text box and drag it out. And let me increase the size of my text box. Click these three dots and scroll down to where it says link, or you can just click on Ctrl plus K. I'll click on the link and I'll paste my Google form link and click on done. Click on done again and I have my Google form. And if I want to share this, I'll click on share here and click on public view link. Create a public view link and copy this link and share it with people